Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just before we go ahead and get started, please drop me a like and a subscribe. I will be doing a free giveaway at 500, so let's try and smash that. So what we're going to be doing today is actually something on the Yaris, which we haven't really done a performance thing on this in a while. And as you can probably tell from the title, is an induction kit, which I did buy off of eBay, but it is an official company. I can't remember exactly who it is. They just have an eBay retail store. This is a full custom induction kit which I bought for, I believe, for £30, and we're going to hopefully be installing it on the Yaris today and seeing if it does really make a difference, because the airboxes on these are sat directly on top of the engine and obviously heat rises, and that's not going to do any good for the engine. So we're going to hopefully test, see if this actually does make a bit of a difference. Obviously the main reason to put one of these on is because it gives you more induction noise, which is what people just want. So we're going to quickly go ahead and open this box, and just before I do that, I'm going to explain what I'm going to be doing, because I'm doing it slightly different. So some vehicles have a pipe coming from the throttle body and then into the stock airbox, and normally you can just take the stock airbox off, leave the MAF pipe in, and then stick this on the end of it. However, some cars come with an airbox that's sat directly on top of the throttle body, and the MAF sensor is built into the box. And now that is an absolute pain in the arse to buy an adapter for, and it'll never run right because you've changed the diameter of the pipe, and these cars don't really like that. So what we're going to be doing today is chopping up the standard airbox to make our little adapter that we can just basically be a plug and play, and you don't really have to spend that much more money. So after we've unboxed this, we'll go chop the airbox up, and then hopefully everything should be okay. So what do you actually get inside on one of these? So obviously you've got some silicone adapters. We are going to have to use these because the MAF on mine is absolutely tiny, so even these won't fit, but we'll sort something out. Here we've got some clamps, which is quite good. Got another adapter. You've got this lovely flexible hose, which will go onto the back of the filter, and then obviously into your throttle body. You've got the mounting brackets, and you've got the actual filter, which is sat nicely in there. This is actually really light, so it'll be fun to install. But yeah, let's go chop up the airbox, and then we'll get to installing this. So that is pretty much that done and installed. I have moved it out of the way and it is sat in a much better position, so it's not going to be dragging much more hot air in. So let me show you what it sounded before and let me show you what it sounds like now. So that pretty much is it. In one of my videos I will be doing performance tests just to see if any of these mods I've put on this car actually does make a big difference. But it definitely sounds a lot better now and it flows so much more better than the standard filter. If you did enjoy the video, please drop me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.